And earlier this week, a trial came to an end for a man who brutally attacked a woman in 2020 with a machete and an axe. That trial ended with Rafael Castillo being sentenced to 70 years behind bars.
Throughout the trial, our court reporter Erica Hernandez kept getting viewer questions about this case, and she's joining us now live in the studio to answer a couple of those questions. Good morning, Erica.
Good morning, guys.
First of all, this had to be a tough trial to cover.
It really was. I mean, they're not easy to hear, any of the details, but I felt like as we went on, the details in this particular case got worse and worse. And not only seeing it, but hearing it, it was a very graphic and intense trial for all involved and who had to take the stand in this case. And like I said, it's tough to hear and also see some of the stuff that's presented in court.
And there were two things that you got asked over and over in this trial. The first was how Rafael Castillo was able to be out on bond.
So I'm not like a legal expert by any means. I just cover court. So I did reach out to a couple of judges to get some answers on some of these questions. And as I was told, as far as this question, everybody is allowed a right to have a bond. People, I think, forget, despite the gruesomeness of a crime, you're innocent until you're proven guilty. So everybody gets established a bond, whether how high or how low it is. It's up to a judge. It was $500,000 for him, which means he got out at $50,000. But he was under house arrest the entire time. He wasn't even allowed to go to church. He had to remain in his home during that entire time that he was out on bond.
And the second most asked question was, why wasn't the death penalty an option in this case?
Another thing, yes, the facts of this case were very gruesome and very horrific. But for this particular case, it wasn't a capital murder. You could only be given the death penalty if you're charged capital murder, and you can only get that charge if you commit another crime in the act of a murder, or if you kill a police officer, or you kill multiple people. So I think sometimes, yes, these, like I said, these details were graphic. Most people were like, how can this guy be out on bond? How can he not face the death penalty? But lawyers, the DA, everybody still has to follow the laws, and those are just the laws here in Texas.
That's right. Well, you've been busy over there. What's next at the courthouse?
So there's several things coming up. One, next week we'll be live streaming the trial of Michelle Barrientos Vela. I will not be covering that. Dylan will be covering that. The story has been following along for years. So we'll have that. There is a potential another murder trial next week expected to take place. I will probably cover that. And then later down the line, we just got word earlier this week on Wednesday that a big murder trial out of Laredo will be moved here to Bexar County this fall. That's going to be a long one. This is for Juan David Ortiz, the Border Patrol agent who's alleged to have killed 4 women. So that's going to be pretty much take up all of October and November later this year. So we'll be very busy this fall.
Yes, you will. All right, court reporter Erica Hernandez, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Good to see you, right?